All right, I'll go over a game I had. Uganda 21 minutes, 25 game. I do want to upload it because the last round was just horrible. Just want to kind of quickly explain what's going on. Um, Wait, yeah, that's not it. When does it start? Here, maybe. I think it starts here. All right. Uh, yeah, water here is the clue, obviously. This little lake here. Uh, yeah, I don't know. Uganda in general can be very easy or very hard. Like, it depends if you find a district name. I mean, usually all of the coverage is in capital. You don't get any of the parks. Um, and yeah, I did get all the capitals. Here it said Rugaba division, which is basically the 5K. Yeah, you need to see one of those labels. But yeah, it could you could spend 5-10 minutes moving around and not seeing it. You could see it in 40 seconds as I do here. Rugaba division is pretty big. It's clearly this thing here. I go back to spawn. It's clearly this corner, but I was considering here for some reason. I didn't fully visualize what I was looking for. But yeah, very good start. Very easy round. Yeah, I finally see it. Just checking for the off-road. Yep, 1 meter. Good round also here. I always start by checking my surroundings, no move, checking where the off-road is, what is the road angle. Yeah, like trying to find some district. And here, when you see the word branch, you always know. You're always happy. Kawembe is one of the bigger ones. Bigger labels. Yeah, it's here. And paved road, this angle, I mean, clearly we're on this road. And now I only need 5K. I see that we're curving east north of us. So I consider this curve here. I go a bit down. Trying to find a POI at this point. And it's always a good strategy because POIs could be fake. You go in the off-road and you see what angle it follows. If it splits, what happens? That can help 5K so you can find which off-road you're in. See that we're on the three-way. Um, and yeah, I was between this and this. This seems good, so I also checked this angle here. And this perfectly fits with this. So I know that this has to be the 5K. And indeed, actually I look for the POI as well. It's some country club. Yankala something. Yep. And yeah, I mean, under 2 minutes, both rounds. Very good. Very good pace. Immediately I think, yeah, I thought it's Entebbe. I don't remember if it is. We move a bit north. We hit a main road. And we have very good signs here. Victoria Medical Services. And it does say Entebbe here. So indeed Entebbe. which is this little part here. It's kind of distinct. I look a little bit. I lose some time. Nothing too major though. Um, our offer is under us. We have a curve here, east. And now I see Victoria Medical Services, so I know that the checkpoint is here, and that we're somewhere in here. Yeah, and again, near 2 minutes. This seems to be the 5K. I just want to make sure, because the space is really good. I knew it. Yeah, just making sure everything curves. It does curve south here indeed, and on the map it curves south. So, yep, it's the 5K. Bam. Yeah, at this point, I know the pace is good. This round, I see it. I know it's not ideal, but it wasn't that bad. Yeah, have spent 5 minutes and I'm in round four. That is amazing. I wanted sub 30, but I actually could have done sub 15 if I had a better round five. But yeah, moving west, I'll skip a bit. Western south, but it's the same way. And I eventually hit a main road, which I think I've seen before. I think I've seen this gas station right here. Um, it did say Mukono in some of these signs, which is a big label. I think I struggle finding the 5K here. I'm looking on the yellow roads. I'm looking for a gas station right here, which I don't see. And my offer was south, the angle was south, so I'm looking for something like that. Um, don't really see it. Don't remember how I found it actually. Hmm. Yeah, this could have been faster. Oh yeah, I go north as well. And I see that it curves a bit west. And yeah, okay, yeah, that's how I found. Because there was no gas station here, unfortunately. I would have been way faster. But I realized this curve makes a lot of sense. And we went south to hit this, so we are north of this. And it does become more west, so I know we're here. Yeah, that's what I do with my mouse. Now I go back to spawn. Yeah, this could have been way faster actually. And I see that this angle fits, so we have to be in this intersection. But still, I mean, we're under 10 minutes going into round 5. Yeah, I checked that this also makes sense. Just making sure because the pace is still godly. I mean, it's not top 25 or whatever, but it's really good. And we get to round 5. And as you can do some quick math. It took me 21 minutes and I'm on 9 minutes, which means this round took me 12 fucking minutes. I thought it was Entebbe again. I saw the lake here. I saw water. It was the lake, but it was not Entebbe. And I found the district that did not show up. I mean, obviously, I won't go over the entire thing. Let me skip around a little bit. Yeah, Buziga is the district. I found it in like 5 different signs, so I knew it must have been something. but it was not down here. It was indeed here somewhere. It didn't really show up though. Yeah, I was really yeah, see, even on this level it doesn't show up. But it's somewhere here. And then I found my Kinde division somewhere, which helped me, but that was way later. That was way later. And it's really unfortunate. I could have had sub 15 at least. Um, yeah, keep looking. I tried to pinpoint this. I think this is, yeah, my Kinde. This is when I realized we're like 9 minutes in, 10 minutes in. Yeah, we're 8 minutes in. And only then did I find a sign for Mukinde. I only had Buzinga sign. Yeah, and now at this point I'm trying to 5k. Yeah, see Upper Buzinga. Yeah, it's small. Yeah, not ideal round. Not ideal. I still struggle to find my main checkpoint pinpoint. Not easy. I was contemplating even giving up because I was really mad. It took so long. Um, yeah, when do I find it? I don't know. Um, a lot of scanning. A lot of scanning. We do have a Mula Mula road here, and I found Mula Mula as a label, but not as a road. Yeah, see Mula Mula here. I think that's when I found it, or something. Is it this? It's this, yeah. And now after 11 minutes, I finally found my checkpoint. And I know we came from here. The pinpoint is kind of distinct, but not super easy. It's kind of this sharp curve. Yeah, like this kind of with an off-road to our west. Here. There it is. I think it's this one. There you can see the curve and off-road. Um, I think it's that, but I didn't immediately click it. Did I? Or is it this? Oh, it's actually this, I think, yeah. Yeah, I didn't even confirm it that much because the time was so bad. Yeah, I mean, overall time is good, but though it's unfortunate to do 12 minutes. Uh, yeah, it is unfortunate. It is what it is. It's still top one among my friends, which is not bad, and by 8 minutes. But I could have done sub 15. Like, I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. G to the G.